So let's set up your domain name. First you need to click on sites and funnels, then you need to go to domains. Then so there are two options now. First is to buy a domain name, or second is to connect existing domain. So in case you don't have a domain, you can buy here by clicking buy domain. It will take you to this page where you need to enter your domain names, whatever you want. In my case it's arjit.com for example, and press enter. Then it will show you so many other examples, arjit.co.in and so on. So the next you need to do is click on buy button, whatever domain you like. As you can see, it's an Indian currency and it will shows you your country currency. So pro tip here is also opting for Google Workspace here. It's the easiest and the best way to use your business mail into Gmail. So you can check out here by clicking the checkout button. It will take you to the checkout page where you can buy your domain. For just in case you have a pre-existing domain that you want to connect with Clickfunnels 2.0, then click on connect existing domain. It will take you to the page where all you have to do is enter your domain name and hit continue. Then it will shows a window like this. Then click on add domain. It will take you domain name providers that you already have. It doesn't matter which one you have, or it may be a Google domain or a Namecheap. For my case it's a Namecheap domain. So let's start domain setup. Click on the start domain setup, and as you can see that connect your domain to your website. You are a few steps away from setting up your domain. It's secure and easy. Just press on continue button. It will analyzing your domain and detecting your DNS provider, getting you set up. Your setup is ready to go. All you have to do is, it could be a GoDaddy domain or Namecheap or Google. All you need to do is log into your Google or GoDaddy or Bluehost, whatever your domain host provider is. All you need to do is log into them and hit Namecheap says verify your identity. There an email with verification code was sent to your inbox too. So just check your domain, check your email and copy and paste your verification code here and hit authenticate. It will take some time. All right, we detected the existing records at arjit.com, and please confirm that you'd like to update these records. Okay, continue. Setting up your domain, hang it there. That could be take up to 60 seconds. Okay, boom, it's done. Arjit.com is now configured. Change typically takes less than few hours to go live. However, it can take up to 48 hours. For most cases it does in few hours also. So click on done. As you can see, a configuration is on process. We are now waiting to confirmation that your domain setup progress has been successfully installed, and so this may take 24 to 48 hours as we know. So let's click on domains again. As you can see, I have already connected a domain. For example, after your domain is verified, they show everything looks great and healthy and connected too. So now your domain is set up correctly, and if you see value in this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. So thank you.